This oceanfront duplex offers 5 weeks to enjoy the Outer Banks experience any time of year. Never fret an unexpected expense again, since monthly dues pay for everything: utilities, maintenance, taxes, furnishings, and weekly cleaning. Just pack your toothbrush and swimsuit, everything else is taken care of. Step from the inviting great room to the private covered deck. The walkway runs directly from deck to dune top, no steps up and down. Lush vegetated dunes open to wide sandy space to frolic in wind and waves. Ample kitchen provides plenty of prep and storage space, and accesses west side deck to keep apprised of goings-on. Dining area has ample table for everyone, plus a wet bar and game table. Chopped wood is always stocked to take advantage of the fireplace and living area. Hall bath and bedroom featuring 2 twin beds completes the first level. Head upstairs to the ample oceanfront king-sized bedroom with ensuite bath that includes jet tub, walk-in shower and vanity lights at sink. 2 more bedrooms share the upstairs bath. Laundry and attached garage with dry entry are on the ground level, which also accesses outdoor shower. 1/10 segment rotation means that you can treat yourself to a 2-week autumn vacation in 2020, when weather remains temperate and crowds diminish. You can also opt to offer weeks for rental, with a single summer week garnering about $2,750 in gross owner income. No muss, no fuss, just come and enjoy. Remaining weeks for 2020 include a 2-week interval from October 23rd to November 6th.